Spring's a wonderful time because for those of us that live in the southern states, it's very cold, and like butterflies, we can come out of our cocoon and we can see the sun. It's extra daylight, it's extra light in the morning, and of course all the wonderful flowers are coming into season. Interflora wanted to celebrate the start of the spring season, and we thought what better way of doing it than to come here to Rose Street in Fitzroy and offer the people of Fitzroy something wonderful to celebrate for this terrific season upon us.
It's beautiful to see colour on the street when it's been dark and stormy in Melbourne, so that was the first thing I noticed.
I think it's really beautiful and quite special, and to have that amongst all the street art and graffiti in Fitzroy, it really stands out.
This is the first spring that Melburnians have been out and about since 2019, because the last two spring times they were locked down due to COVID. The reaction's been wonderful. We've had so many people down here looking at the installation, celebrating the terrific season that is spring.